Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So it's currently Saturday, July 19th, 2025. And I took two trades this week, and I'm going to break down why I took both trades. And honestly, before I even start that, let me just tell you. This week in the markets was a crazy week. So I took a trade on Tuesday, and honestly, that trade affected me the whole week, if I'm being completely honest. Like, this trade, and even now as I'm recording this video, like a small amount part of me, it's still mad, it's still angry that this happened. But yeah, this trade just threw me off completely, and I'm gonna explain why it threw me off. Right, it's not even the fact that I lost this trade or how much I risked. Like, no, it's just the trade itself. It's not the fact that I lost, it's how I lost. Right, that is so annoying. But let's break it down. So took this trade on Euro USD. I also took this on Thursday, but we're gonna come back to that later. So let's go to Euro USD. I'm gonna break down this trade I took. So this is the trade I took. As you can tell, it's a 1 to 1.5. Obviously, we lost this trade, but let me break it down for you. So coming to the market on this day, let me just move this. So I see Euro USD is pulling back. Now I had marked this up like 2 weeks ago. So I've been waiting for price to pull back to this area to retest it and continue to upside. So I've been waiting patiently for this pullback right here. Same thing on GBUSD. Eventually did give me the pullback that I needed, but it's okay. And then silver, I was waiting for the pullback. Gold, same thing. Gold, I even drew this trend line, which is crazy because you guys are gonna see once I like clear this up, you're gonna see that gold did eventually tap this gold trend line and kept going. So I'm like, wow. So I had it right the first time. I analyzed it correctly, and it even came and proved it. But anyways. So coming to the market, it's bullish, but I'm looking for this sell. I'm looking for this pullback to this area right here. So coming to the market, I knew what I was looking for. I just needed price to give me an opportunity to take it. Cool. So I come to the market at 6 o'clock on Tuesday. I see prices at this level right here, which it broke below, but it's just consolidating in this area. So coming to the market, I'm like, okay, yeah, this is like, it's giving me the sign that I needed. This is going to give me a definite push to the downside. I just needed an entry signal. Cool. So it hit 6 o'clock. Price starts having it pushed down. So I'm like, okay, cool. Mixed in an order block on the 10-minute, I think. Yeah, 10-minute order block. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm going to wait for the pullback to the order block. Give me my entry signal. I'm going to take the trade. So give me my entry signal. Cool. Evening star pattern. Now, I will say I only took this trade like this because it gave me a strong pattern on the 10-minute. But if you go on the 15-minute, the next 5-minute, I close like this. So it gave me an evening star on the 15-minute, evening star on the 10-minute. Now, obviously, it didn't shift structure yet, but the 15-minute was still going. So I was like, okay, I'm confident with that. And then the 5-minute, like, gave the push. So I was like, okay, cool. Take this trade. Now, the thing is, I originally had put my stop loss. Well, no, I didn't put my stop loss. This was where I was going to put my stop loss. So, actually, let me move this here. So I would have taken the trade here and put my stop loss up here. Let me show you so it's easier for you to understand. So this is where my stop loss would have been at this yellow level because I put it, follow my trading plan, I put it right above the previous structure point, which is right here. But news is coming out. So news is coming out on the charts. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I know news is coming out. Do I really want to risk putting my stop loss right there? Because yes, it's going to have the push that I need, but it's most likely going to have a spike. Give me a second. So it's most likely going to have like a spike up here. Sorry, I want to make sure I'm on a trip right now, so I'm recording this on the road. But I'm like, okay, cool. News is gonna come out. It's probably gonna do like a spike shenanigan up here before continuing to the downside. So I don't want price to come wake me up by a pip and then go down in my direction. Like, I don't want that. That would hurt me. That would hurt me a lot. Like, that's not something that I want to see happen. So I'm like, okay, cool. And like, it would have been a 1 to 7, but I'm like, hey, news is coming out. I need to give it space. So I put it all the way up there. Hence why the stop loss is at this red level right here. I put it above this stretch level. Now, looking back at it, I guess I could have put it above because if you see it has a round psychological level and price loves round psychological levels. That's something that I didn't take into account, but I should have done my due diligence. But realistically, I should have put my stop loss above here. But I didn't. I put it above this stretch level because this was the next closest stretch level after here. So it made sense. So not only did I put my stop loss at a good level down here, I even extended it, which is technically would be breaking my trading plan. but it's for a good reason. News was coming out. So I even gave it more room. So if it did any shenanigans, it would do it and then do whatever it wants to do. Then we're in profit. And then news drops and look what happened. Oh, right here. So we're in profit. Literally, news comes back, taps me out by 2 pips. No, 3 pips. Literally. Like, I don't know what more to explain. This happens, right? It wakes me out like this. And I'm not even, I don't really have my phone on this point, so I can't even look at the charts to do anything about it. But it taps me out like this. And then proceeds to absolutely just milk. Like, it's, like, you see this? No. I'm not really mad that I lost. I'm not really mad because I risked 1,000 on this, so we lost 1,000. So I'm not really mad I lost, right? Losing is a part of the process, part of the trading journey. But it's the way that I lost. Literally, I had my stop loss previously at this level, but I gave myself more room so this wouldn't happen. So this exact reason wouldn't happen. So this exact thing wouldn't happen. And what I didn't want to happen literally happened. Like, this, what more do you want from me? Like, I was so mad. I don't know if you can hear in my voice. Like, I'm still mad about this. I'm still pissed about this. Because this has happened multiple times. Like, right here, I believe. Is it up here? No, not up there. There's another trade I had taken. That was like that. I think it was on gold. Yeah, it was on gold. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. I had taken, look, this is like an example of it. Take the trade, give it enough room so it does whatever shenanigans and drops. Let me show you. It's on gold. Yeah, right here. No, it wasn't that one. Was it not on gold? What trade was it on? Was it on GBUSD? I don't think it was. Was it on EURUSD? I don't think it was on EURUSD though. I don't think it was. I don't think it was this one. It's not that one. I believe it was. Okay, this is like a good example of it. Literally take the trade, give it enough room so it has whatever shenanigans it wants to do, and then drops. Literally does exactly. Like, I don't know how much. Let me find a good example of it because I know it has happened to me before, and I was extremely pissed, extremely mad. Oh, right here. I think it was this one. Nah, it wasn't. You know what? I'm not even gonna try and find it for you. Like, you know what I'm talking about. But literally, get stopped out by 1 pip or a few pips just to literally fall and go to my. And the thing is, my account was at 100. Like, it was like 95 something. There's one trade right here would have brought us back to that 100K mark, which is the break even for the challenge because I bought 100K challenge. And then from there, I would have taken 2 more trades and it would have passed up on the account. And it's like, why does this happen every time? Like, just when I'm close to it, it's like I take 1 step forward, I take 2 steps back. I don't know how to explain this. And this is so annoying. This hurts. This sucks, man. Because I called the trade, I called the analysis perfectly, good R, everything. Literally move my stop loss so that wouldn't happen. And that happened exactly. I don't know what more to say. I really don't know. And I was angry and I was furious Tuesday. This happened Tuesday. So coming to a market Wednesday, I was annoyed. I was mad. Didn't take a trade Wednesday. Thursday, this trade on GBUSD, which honestly, trash trade. I don't know why I took it. But matter of fact, I don't even want to break this trade down. It was just really good trade. Pulled back to order buy, gave me an interest and took it. We were in profit and then news happened. Closed it out early. So yeah, I closed this trade out early so we didn't lose too much. But this trade right here just messed with me the whole week. It's not even the loss. It's not the loss. The loss is whatever. It's the fact, the way that I lost. Getting stopped out just before it to go in my direction. And it's so annoying, man. Because I'm getting these good moves, these great opportunities, these 1-2-5s, 1-2-4s. And I'm not capitalizing off of it. Like, what's the point of trading and calling out the move, the direction of the market, and you're not profiting from it? Like, what's the point of it? And not only from this, but in some other things happen in life where I was like spiraling. I was like, felt like I was going through a valley, and I was praying to God, and I was like, man, it felt like a dark hole. I don't know how to explain. But this spiraled. This affected it. Something else had happened that affected it, and then another thing happened that affected it. And I was just like, man, like I just felt like I was just in loop, this cycle of dark and sinness. And yeah, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday was just weird days for me. But Monday and Friday were good days. Like Monday, cool. Friday was cool. And I'm a little bit, part of me is still hurt about this trade. But it's okay. I can't change it. It's in the past. All I can do is do better and get ready for the markets next week. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent. God bless you, man. God bless you. I just gotta stay consistent, and over time, eventually I will make it. I don't know when I'm gonna make it, but I know I'm gonna make it if I stick it through. I know that he who began a good work in me will see it through completion. So I just gotta trust God. Y'all have a good day.